Welcome to this new episode, and in today's episode we'll be discussing how to set up iPhone. So if you just get a new iPhone, whether new or used, then you need to set it up from scratch so as to set it up to suit your need. So the first thing you want to do when you want to set up your iPhone, it doesn't matter you're using the latest version iPhone 15 or you're using iPhone 6, the process are similar. The process is the same. Just go ahead and turn on your iPhone just like this, press and hold the power button, and then you should see the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo comes up, this implies that your iPhone is turned on. Then you just need to hang on. We'll be prompted to select your language. Then here you want to select your iPhone default language. So my default language is English. Then you'll be prompted to select your region or country. So scroll down until you get to your region or country and then select it from the list. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my country from the list. If you make any mistake, hit the back button, come back again, and then select your country. So select your country. Selected, you can see setting language. Once you selected your country, you see your iPhone setting your country language up. Then there's a quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in. So if you have multiple iPhone, you can easily sign into your iPhone using a existing iPhone or iPad. Then click on setup manually. Here you'll be prompted to select the preferred language, the keyboard, and then detection. Then click on the continue button or customize settings. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on continue. Then you'll be prompted to connect to a Mac or choose another network. Then make sure you have a Wi-Fi enabled. Your iPhone will need a Wi-Fi to continue, or you need to connect to a Mac. Then once you connected to the Wi-Fi, you should see the check mark, and then click on the next button at the top right. Here it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Just hang on. Then the next thing you want to do here is you'll be taken to the data and privacy page. Then click on the continue button. Then you'll be prompted to set up Touch ID. You can set up Touch ID later. Click on that. Then are you sure you don't want to use Touch ID? You're going to set your Touch ID later. Then click on use. If you're using Face ID, you need to use your Face ID later. Then type in your iPhone passcode. Here you can click on passcode options here to choose custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit numeric code, and you may use your iPhone without code. So if you want to use your iPhone without a code, you just need to choose don't use passcode. You can always set up your iPhone passcode later. Then don't use passcode again. There you go. You can see choose how you want to transfer data or app to this iPhone. Don't transfer app and data. If you don't want to move your data from maybe restore from Mac or PC, transfer data from your iPhone or move data from iPhone, just click on don't transfer app data. Now sign in with Apple ID iCloud and this. Forgot or don't have an Apple ID, then sign in with your Apple ID here or create one. Then once you click on forgot Apple ID, then click on set up later in settings. Then click on use Apple ID or don't use, click on don't use. You can always set up your Apple ID later, and then you should see this loading. Then you need to agree to the terms and conditions here. Then click on agree. There you go. Keep your iPhone up to date. Hit continue. Hi message. Continue. Location service. You can disable location service and the settings. So continue. Then screen time. Set up later in settings. Then share with Apple. Don't share. There you go. You may choose the appearance between light mode and dark mode. Then click on light mode and click on continue. There you go. Standard or zoomed. Make sure you click on standard and click on setup. Then you should say welcome to iPhone. Once you see welcome to iPhone on the screen, click on get started. There you go. Then you have your new iPhone set up. So this is how to set up new iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.